Hey all guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Preeti. I live in Germany. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna share my top red lipsticks from my collection. If you're close to my skin tone, these are the shades which might look good on you. So before this, I had done 2 videos about lipsticks in which I covered different categories of lipsticks, and if you're not watched this, I will leave them in the description box. Please go and watch them. And let's begin today's video. So the first one is from Catrice. It's their ultimate color lipsticks in the shade number 310, and the name is Red My Lips. Catrice is a super affordable drugstore makeup brand, and they have some amazing lipsticks and amazing beauty products. So this is a lipstick which has some darker undertones, like some magenta undertone to it. This shade suits really well onto the darker or olive skin tones because it's not so flashy or intimidating. So this is a perfect red shade for me. They are super glossy and shiny, and they are classic lipsticks. They are not matte or anything. So this is for sure gonna transfer onto your cups and the bites, and also when you eat oily food, it's gonna for sure fade away. But however, I like the glossiness onto the lipstick, and I do not really mind retouching this lipstick because it is so creamy and glossy. Next one is the super cheap drugstore brand from India. It is L18 Colourpop's matte lipstick. This is in the shade R34. The shade name is Selfie Red.
Saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay.
They come in lot of different shades. You have so many shades to choose from, which is really nice. And their darker shades are super pigmented. They're not exactly super matte, but they are slightly matte. I mean, of course, for the price point of view, I cannot expect more. Best part of L18 lipsticks are they're gonna fade nicely onto the lips after some point of time. They're not just gonna leave like a boundary around your lips or something. I really like them because they are so easy to reapply, so affordable. You can get it pretty much in anywhere, like small dukans in India. You can also get them in small fancy shops, which is really nice. So the next lipstick is this Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade 40 Laugh Louder.
The girl who can do everything. Never but
I've talked about the same lipstick in my summer lipstick videos, and in that I do mention this, and I wanted to pull this lipstick also in this category because it is a nice red. It's a summer daytime nice lighter red. It is super matte, you guys. I mean, it's not transferable. It is super matte, and it also wears for a really long time, so I really like it. And also it comes in this pencil form, which is easy to apply and goes into every nooks and corners of the lips, and it's really easy to reapply because it's buttery soft. So I really recommend this. So the next one is from NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. This is in the shade Copenhagen. Now this is a metallic shade, however I do not categorize this as a complete red. Still looks a bit more like a darker berry red on my lips. Now this has this nice metallic glow going on, and they are super matte. They are not transferable at all, and they wear on the lips comfortably, and for me this shade especially is such a nice party shade or night shade. Next one is also from NYX. It's their NYX matte lipsticks in the shade Alabama.
okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down.
It's a very mature red color. It's not a playful or summery kind of shade. This is more like a mature evening shade. This is also matte, although it is slightly transferable, but I'm sure it dries out to matte, and reapplying this lipstick is a bit of a problem because it's not so buttery soft. You have to really pull and reapply it. But however, since the pigmentation is so much, you don't need to reapply it every now and then. The next one is from Kiko Milano. It's their matte liquid lip color in the shade 05.
Scrolling through my Insta, don't wanna get into this right now. The girl who's down for anything.
This is a nice dark red again, and it almost goes the same as the NYX matte lipstick what I showed you, but the best part of these lipstick are they dry so quickly and they're super non-transferable. Kiko Milano is also a very affordable brand. I do not have a lot of shades. I think they have generic 5 to 6 shades in this, and this is the red which I really like. I also have another color that is more like a fuchsia shade, but this is a perfect red for me, and I feel that this lipstick can be such a versatile lipstick because it can work for day and night both. This lipstick stays onto the lips forever, guys, until you remove it, and they are so super non-transferable, which I really like. The next one is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This is in the shade Groundbreaker 117.
People I got to rely on. The girl who can do it.
This shade is such a nice shade, guys. I mean, it is a perfect red shade for me for the summers. Goes well with any outfit, I feel. But only thing is I have problem with this whole range of Maybelline liquid lipstick, because on my lips they just do not stay. They try to come flaky from the sides after some point of time, especially when I take a sip of water or something. But this is such a gorgeous shade, so that's why I have this one. So that was the last one, and that's it in this video. I really enjoyed doing this video. You can also follow me on my Instagram right here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.